Good morning to one and all for the today's morning session. So I welcome you all for the today's session. So I'm Professor Raju Patil from Mechanical Department, Angli Engineering College, Belagavi. So today I will be conducting on steam power plant. Today's class will be dealing with steam power plants. Okay. So what is steam power plants? Steam power plants are producing about half of the total power requirement in India. In a steam power plant, thermal energy is used to raise the steam that is used to run the steam turbines to produce mechanical energy. This mechanical energy is converted into electrical energy in a generator. Steam power plants are suitable for large scale production of electrical power. So, how we have to select the steam power plants? Selection of site for steam power plants, we'll deal with that. There are many factors which can be considered while selecting the site for hydel power plant or steam power plant, you can say. Okay, so first point is availability of raw material, second one is nature of land, third one is cost of land, and fourth one is availability of water, fifth one is transportation facilities, and sixth one is ash disposal facilities, and seventh one is availability of labor. These all factors considers while selecting the steam power plant. Okay, so first one will deal with availability of fuel. Modern steam power plants using coal or oil as a fuel require huge quantity of it per annum. A steam power plant of 400 megawatts capacities requires 5,000 to 6,000 ton of coal per day. Okay. So second one is transportation. Though having a plant at the fuel source does not require transportation for fuel, it may be away from the place of use. This leads to high transmission cost and loss of power, hence possible to locate a site for economic power transmission and fuel transmission. Ropeways or railways is the better choices for the transportation at the interior places. Sea transportation is economical for plants and fuel source near seashores. Okay, next, availability of water. A steam power plant requires high volume of water for use as feed water, ash handling, and mainly for condensing. About 50 to 60,000 tons of water per hour is required or essential for every 100 megawatts of power developed as cooling water and make up water for the feed. A good quality of drinking water is also essential for the use of employees. This is very important thing, that is good quality of drinking water is also essential for the use of employees. Fourth one, that is ash disposal. Ash disposal, generally the steam power plants produces ash. About 20 to 30% of fuel burned. The ash to be disposal may be several thousand tons or a day. Okay, hence the site selected should have provision for proper disposal of ash. Next, fifth one, nature of land. The soil of the site selected should have good bearing capacities as it has to support huge structures and dynamic forces in operating conditions. A bearing capacity of 1 meganewton per meter square is essential to set up a steam power plant. Okay. Sixth one, space area. Steam power plant needs the maximum space area compared to all other power plants. They require large space areas for coal yards, buildings, machineries and equipments, cooling towers, ash disposal and for residential purpose. About 500 acres of land is necessary or essential for every 100 megawatts of power produced. Okay, next, Generally, natural gas is used for power plant as it is available in abundance. The natural gas is generally obtained from gas wells and petroleum wells. The major constituent in natural gas is methane, about 60 to 65%, and also contains small amounts of other hydrocarbons such as ethane, naphthalene, and aromatics, carbon dioxide, and nitrogen. The natural gas is transported from the source to the place of use through pipes for distances to several hundred kilometers. The natural gas is colorless, odorless, and non-toxic. Its calorific value, the CV, ranges from 25,000 to 50,000 kilojoules per meter cube. Okay. Next, equipment for burning coal. Solid fuel or lump farm, hand firing. First one is hand firing, and second one is mechanical stoker firing. So in that we'll be dealing with pulverized fuel or powdered farm, that is unit system or bin system, bin or central system. Okay. Mechanical stoker firing, even though it is a costlier, generally they are used to feed the solid fuel in small and medium sized power plants because the following reasons: combustion is more efficient. Okay. Huh? Fuel handling is automatic and combustion control is easier. Faster response to load fluctuations. Low quality fuels can be successfully burned, suitable for small to high capacity plants. Okay. So with this we end up for the today's session. So we'll continue in the next class. Thank you for the today's session. If you have any doubts, you can comment me or ask me or call me. Okay. And comment with the USN so that you will be receiving attendance. Okay. Thank you.